2. And then the second one, you would do, let's say...
Look what just arrived.
Oh my God!
Oh, nice. Can I see?
Okay, mine. We did last week's video, we did the design for this holiday tree, and today we're gonna build it and actually test it, see if it works. So follow me. When we build circuits, we build them in panels. We can have multiple circuits built up in the same panel. It's quicker for the machines. And in this case, we actually need it in a panel because the circuit has a unique shape, and we want the straight lines for this to go through the conveyor. This is the circuit, but in this case, if you remember, we talked about how we have this design where the two circuits go into each other to build this like 3D-ish kind of shape. And I haven't tested this yet, so I just pulled it out of the panel. And this is the moment of truth. We have the one where there is like a slot on the bottom, and this one has a slot on the top. And basically, A goes through B, just like that, and it's perfect. And we have a Christmas tree. Now that we know that the shape and it fits together nicely, let's go to the machines and build the circuits. The first step of the process is the jet printer, which prints solder on the circuit. So we take the raw circuit that goes on here, on the conveyor belt, and it goes through the machine. And now we're ready for the pick and place machine, where this machine picks up the parts of these reels and places them on the circuit. And in this example, we have the LEDs. Now the circuit is two-sided, so it has to go through the whole process twice. It's finished with the first side, it's gonna go through the oven right now, and then when it's done, we'll take it back to the very beginning and do the other side. So let it go through the oven. While we're waiting for the circuit to come out, what software options do we have? This is an STM32 chip. There is the KLU Vision software, which is licensed up to 32 kilobytes, but you can use for free. There is Arduino, of course, and there are other options. Maybe I'll start with UVision. I like that. And now we have parts. I wish you can see how cool this looks in real life. The camera does not justify it. Anyway, if you're one of the very few who's receiving this, please enjoy, code it, do whatever you want to do with it, or you can just use it as is. I even added a jingle for you. Of course, we have covered the fact that I'm not an artist, so don't complain about my work here. Happy holidays, enjoy, and in future videos we'll talk about coding some more, and I'll show you different hints, things that I actually learned along the way doing this.